Good evening, everybody. We're Sunday morning. We're going to perform some musical improv for you. What we've created is a work of art, but it does not yet have a title. Could somebody please go ahead and name this work of art?
Monkeys.
Monkeys, thank you. When you're walking around and you don't know what to do, just make sure you make a stop in your local zoo.
Because that's where all the fun is. Come on down, take a look. Hey, it's a monkey!
You might know where we all came from. We came from monkeys many years ago.
Unless you believe in the creation side of things, at which point we were created by him or her.
So, let me get this straight, Mr. Darwin. You are planning on telling this university that we came from apes?
Yes, Dr. Rad.
That's right, Dr. Rat.
We came from apes, and it's time the world knew about it.
Well, listen, Darwin. Here at Dr. Rat doesn't think too highly of these crazy theories of yours. We get traits inherited to us, and then our kids are born with them.
I thought you would like this radical thinking.
Nope. It's crazy. I do rad stuff like keep my pet monkey in my office and let him roam about.
Look at how human.
That type of rad stuff.
That's so rad, man.
I know, right? I know. Do you want a Dr. Pepper?
Yeah, can you throw it to me?
Yup. Keep a mini fridge. Whoa! It's Ruffles! Ruffles!
So human-like. How can you
I'm
not see
convinced.
this?
I'm not convinced. And that is the 6th time he's done that this week. I'm going through Dr. Pepper like you wouldn't believe.
Yeah, can I get a Dr. Pepper now?
I guess, but I'll just have to hand it to you because somebody's being bad. Now look, Mr. Darwin, you've been a great professor at this university for many years. Oh, for God's sakes! Alright, listen, Mr. Darwin, Dr. Pepper's are off the table for the rest of this discussion. I'm really sorry. I have some pizza combos in my desk if you like.
Super rad.
That is super rad, right? Look,
Yeah, they're your desk. Okay.
that's where I keep them. Hey, Ruffles, hey! Those are my pizza combos!
Is your desk a refrigerator?
Yep. That's how rad I am. I'm also rad enough to believe in Professor Lamarck's theory on inherited characteristics. Like if you get a scar, your kid will be born with that scar. That's how genes work.